Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam not enough free disk space error. So first, you're going to open your Steam application in your computer or in your laptop. Then, once you're here in the application, you want to go here to the top left corner. Then you're going to click on Steam over here at the very top. Then you're going to go to the settings. Then once you're here, you're going to go here to the left sidebar and you want to click on downloads. Then you just want to scroll down a little until you see cache. Then you're just going to click on clear cache. Then click on confirm. And after that, your application should restart. Then you're going to go back to Steam. Then you're going to go to the settings again. Then you want to go back to the left sidebar. Now you're going to click on storage. Then over here, you want to click on the drop down button. Then you're going to select a drive where you have sufficient storage in order for you to download games. And once you have chosen your drive, you're going to click on this 3-dot option. Then you're going to click on repair library. And after that, you should be able to download new games again. So I hope this works and thanks for watching.